Let's spin a disc.
What's good, family? How you guys doing? How you guys keeping? Welcome back to the Blessed Review. Trust you guys are doing okay. Man, today what we got, man. Today what we got. You know, man, we've been trying to, we're following the Apostle TF Chiwenga, man. I mean, he has been going off lately, son. He has been going off lately, son. You know what I'm saying? I mean, some of the things he be saying are a bit radical. Some of the things he be saying, man, they just don't seem scriptural, man. In fact, they are scriptural, but it seems like he's heading towards the Old Testament, man. The old way of doing things. Man, when Apostle TF Chiwenga came through, man, he seemed like he was gonna save us from modern day hypocrisy of modern day pastors, man, and bring towards the undiluted gospel. You know what I'm saying? I mean, he had a very good start, but now we just don't know, man. You be saying it's okay to inherit your brother's wife when he passes away. You know, the issue of Naka. You've been saying, man, if a wife doesn't bear any sons for you, you are free to get a second wife and it's not a sin. It's scriptural. Man, I don't know, man. I don't know. And today, man, I'm talking about if a woman says she's not ready for marriage. In fact, if a woman can bear kids, you know, and breastfeed, you know what I mean, she's ready for marriage. And if she says she's not ready for marriage, she's a prostitute. You know what I'm saying? Once she can give birth, once she can breastfeed, she's good for marriage. She should get married. Man, I don't know in modern day, man, if that's practical. I really don't know. But guys, let me know what you think, man. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Bless, and I'm
and when a woman hears everyone saying, you are beautiful, she becomes hot-headed.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to settle down in marriage. I am not yet ready. I am not yet ready. Which readiness do you know? What exactly do you bring into a marriage that you are gathering? What does a woman gather and say, I haven't acquired enough of this. I am going to need maybe 7 more years to gather this so that I can be equipped to get into marriage. Murume ndiye anofanira kuti handisi ready because animal responsibilities ekuchengeta munhu. Iwe responsibility yako ndeye kungoti wakugonyere kuzvara chete. Kana uchikwanisa kuyamwisa mwana wato ready izvezvo. Anofanira kuti handisi ready because animal responsibilities ekuchengeta munhu. Iwe responsibility yako ndeye kungoti wakugonyere kuzvara chete. Kana uchikwanisa kuyamwisa mwana wato ready izvezvo. Tinongoda kuti umachuwewo zvekuti bhodhi yako igone kutakura mwana kusvika akuita sei akuponewa. Pasere ndo readiness yemudzimai iyo.
Yeah.
Can you carry pregnancy to full term? Can you iron a man's clothes? That's what you need. Nosvika 30 years zvikuti I'm not yet ready. Uchimisa dundu kudai. Uri joking? Full-time food, blown prostitute, busy masquerading and gallivanting on the streets with useless men. And when you are now used by a list of men, you now come to church and dress modestly and say, pray for me, men of God. I am not finding the right man to marry me. Huh? How can we have a car whose mileage is 1 million kilometers and is still claiming to be a brand new car? How many fingers touched your breasts? Are you a wife material now? 1 million kilometers in a plastic. In a million kilometers per odometer. Patiri ma plastic manje. Paulo zo imuta injiri do polo ta kuna mota jibodi yakada.